here at the Murrieta Chamber of Commerce Mixer, and one of the sponsors tonight is Rob and Chef Elke with Simply Delicious Catering. What's going on here tonight, guys?
Well, we're hosting the Chamber Mixer. This is the first time we've had an opportunity to host the Mixer, and we're just so pleased that so many people came out to see us here tonight.
Yeah, we're in Wildemar, and it's not as busy as Murrieta, but it's still got a lot of client base here.
Well, I think they heard it when Chef Elke was preparing the food that they wanted to have somebody.
You know, I've had too much already. It's really good. I'm a picky eater, and I haven't found anything I don't like. So good for you.
Enjoy food, love entertaining, so this is a great fit.
So tell me about the corporate place here. What's going on?
Well, the corporate room is a private event and meeting center. It's really put in place to help companies and individuals who want to host private parties and they don't want to have to pay high winery prices. And so this is an opportunity to have an affordable option. They can have Elke cater it, or they can bring in their own food, or they can brown bag it if they want to.
All right, well, great. How long have you been doing this?
We're just starting our 5th year, and we took over the corporate room in May.
Oh, it's been a secret for me. I'm glad I'm here tonight. It was a good idea.
Well, thank you for coming out. We really appreciate it. It's just really a fun place, and people always seem to have a good time.
Well, I'm glad to be here, and we'll see you again soon, I hope.
Thank you. Enjoy the support.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.